Hi friends, in this video I am joining with a notification from Staff Selection Commission, Junior Engineer Recruitment. So SSC released a notification for various disciplines: civil, mechanical, electrical and quantity surveying and contract. So date for submission of online application is 12th August to 2 September. Last date and time for receipt of online application 2 September 11 hours. Last date for offline challan 2 September 11 hours, and making payment one more day is extended 3rd September 11 hours. So through challan they are allowing up to 3rd September. Window for application correction, that is one more day they extended after making payment 4 September, and tentatively computer based examination will be planned on November 2022. So paper 2 will be conventional, it will be notified later, like that they mentioned in SSC notification. Okay, so let us have a detailed discussion on this notification today. So scale of pay is mentioned. This post is Group B non-gazetted 7th CPC level 6 35,400 to 1,12,400 pay scale range. So this is a direct central government post. So Staff Selection Commission is conducting the exam for junior engineers, civil, mechanical, electrical, as I already told, quantity surveying and contracts. So for various ministries and departments and organization. Okay, so detailed post will discuss in due time. So here the organization and the relevant post is mentioned here in this area. First one is BRO, Border Road Organization. So for this some special requirements are there that we will discuss later. So BRO, Junior Engineer Civil, JE Electrical and Mechanical. Next one is the most familiar department, Central Public Works Department, CPWD, Junior Engineer Civil, Junior Engineer Electrical. And next is Water and Power Research Station. So Junior Engineer Civil, JE Electrical, JE Mechanical. Next is CWC, Central Water Commission. So JE Civil, JE Mechanical. Next is Quality Assurance, Directorate of Quality Assurance, Novel, JE Mechanical, JE Electrical. Next is Faraka Parage Project, FBP, JE Civil, JE Electrical, JE Mechanical. Next is MES, Military Engineering Service, JE Civil, JE Electrical and Mechanical. Next is NTRO, National Technical Research Organization, JE Civil, JE Electrical, JE Mechanical. Next is Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Andaman Lakshadweep Harbour Works. So JE Civil, JE Electrical, JE Mechanical. So regarding vacancies, right now vacancies are not mentioned here. They have not released the vacancy. So it is mentioned that it will be intimated later. So separately they will give the information regarding vacancy. It is clearly mentioned candidate corner, the tentative vacancy will be informed later. So regarding reservation, this is as per central government rules, SC, ST, person with disability, economically weaker section and other backward classes will be, reservation will be followed as per Government of India norms. This area, so we don't want to discuss more in this area. So permissible disabilities for PWD candidates also there. So this is again regarding reservation only. So here it is mentioned, as I already told, for this only for this border road organization some special requirements are there. So first stringent condition is only male candidates are eligible for the post of JE in the border road organization. So for border road organization, male candidates only applicable. So nationality, citizenship. Next area is age limit. So age limit cut off as 1 January 2022. So and one more thing, this based on organization also age limit is fixed, as like here it is mentioned. So BRO, they are limiting the age limit up to 30 years, CPWD 32, and Central Water and Power Research Station 30, and Water Commission 32, and Quality Assurance 30, and this FPPB project 30, MES 30, and NTRO 30. So they are limiting the, and the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, this is also 30. So they are limiting the maximum age. And again age relaxation is Admissible as per the government norms for SC/ST. Here it is mentioned 5 years, OBC and PWD, and reserved OBC PWD, SC/ST PWD. So ex-servicemen and this defense personnel. Again, defense personnel in operation during hostility with any foreign country. So in a disturbed area and released as a consequence thereof. So SC/ST 8 years. So these are all the government rules admissible. Next we are going. So process of certification and format of certificates. So this is also common conditions only, not a special condition. Mainly we will discuss special conditions wherever it is mentioned. So next part is essential and educational qualification and experience. So everything will be counted as of 2nd September 2022. So first JE Civil, Border Road Organization, Ministry of Defense. So for that, degree in civil engineering or 3 years diploma in civil engineering with 2 years working experience in planning, execution, maintenance of civil engineering works. Okay. So next if we are moving on, JE Electrical and Mechanical, again same BRO, Ministry of Defense, degree in electrical or mechanical or 3 years diploma in electrical, automobile, mechanical from recognized university and 2 years experience in planning, execution and maintenance of electrical and mechanical engineering works. Next is CPWD, only civil. So diploma in civil engineering, there is no need of experience. Next is JE Electrical, Central Public Works Department, diploma in electrical or mechanical engineering from recognized university, no experience is required. Only some posts called for experience, some remaining posts not calling any experience. Next is JE Civil, Central Water Power Research Station, diploma in civil engineering. Next is JE Electrical, Central Water Power Research, diploma in electrical. Next is JE Mechanical, Central Water Power Research Station, diploma in mechanical. Next, Junior Engineer Civil, Central Water Commission, degree or diploma in civil engineering. For diploma also there is no need of experience. So straight away we can say, if you are clearing the written test, then you will definitely get a post. So JE Mechanical, degree or diploma in mechanical engineering for the Central Water Commission. Next is Directorate of Quality Assurance, Novel. So degree in mechanical engineering or here 3 years diploma in mechanical engineering with 2 years experience in the respective field, quality assurance field. Directorate of Quality Assurance they are taking. So quality assurance field experience is required for diploma candidates. Next, JE Electrical, Directorate of Quality Assurance. So again same, degree in electrical or 3 years diploma in electrical engineering with 2 years experience in the respective field. Next, if we are moving on, Junior Engineer Civil, FBP project. So diploma in civil engineering with recognized university. Okay. So again for JE FBP project, diploma in electrical engineering, no need of experience. So JE Mechanical, diploma in mechanical engineering, no need of experience for this FBP project, Farakha Barrage project. So next is MES, Military Engineering Service, degree in civil engineering for JE Civil or 3 years diploma in civil with 2 years experience in planning, execution and maintenance of civil engineering works. Next, if we are moving on, JE Electrical and Mechanical for MES, Military Engineering Service, degree in electrical or diploma in electrical or mechanical. Actually this JE is combined, electrical or mechanical. So the diploma in electrical or mechanical with 2 years experience in planning and execution and maintenance of electrical or mechanical works. So next is JE Civil, NTRO, diploma in civil engineering. So NTRO Electrical, diploma in electrical engineering, no need of experience. So NTRO Mechanical, diploma in mechanical engineering. And next is this Andaman and Lakshadweep Harbour Works, diploma in civil engineering for JE Civil. And same Andaman and Lakshadweep Harbour Works, Ministry of Ports. Okay, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, diploma in electrical engineering is required for Junior Engineering Electrical, and diploma in mechanical engineering required for JE Mechanical, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. That's all, friends. So these are all the special essential qualifications. Some organization is asking for the experience also, what we explained. So this area we have covered, and next we are moving on to how to apply area. So application through online mode only, offline mode is not accepted. Website ssc.nic.in, detailed instructions and annexure, everything, all formats are available with this notification. If you are moving on the bottom of the notification, you will get all the annexes. regarding EWS, regarding SST certificate, regarding OBC certificate, everything you will get it. Even the how to apply, for that also separate annexure is there. So last date and time for this is a very important area we want to focus. Last date and time for submission of online application is 2 September 2022, 11 hours. Normally the time will be night 12 o'clock or 5:30, but here it is little bit differs, 11 hours for this SSC. So please take care of it. So fee is payable 100. So women's candidate and candidate belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and PWD and ex-servicemen eligible for reservation and exempted from the payment of fee. This is the common conditions only. 100 rupees for general category and no fee for SC/ST, PWD and this one, person with disability, ex-servicemen. For them there is no fee. So online fee can be paid by the candidate up to 3rd September. As I already told from the beginning. We have at the beginning of the notification we have explained regarding this payment date and all. So 3rd September. So correction window, that also we already explained. One more day is allowed, 4 September. So next we are moving on. This area is center of examination. So candidate must indicate the center in the online application form. Is very important. So examination center in all over India is there, region wise. So central region, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh it covers, and eastern region, Andaman, Nicobar Island, Jharkhand, Odisha, Sikkim and West Bengal. Next Karnataka, Kerala region, Karnataka, Kerala and Lakshadweep, and Madhya Pradesh region, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Northeastern region, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Northern region, Delhi, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. Northwestern region, Chandigarh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Punjab. And southern region, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. And western region, Dadar, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, Goa, Gujarat and Maharashtra. So these are all the region wise centers are there. So candidate has to take care during filling this examination priority. Okay. So next if we are moving on, scheme of examination. Actually this in this SSC is a two part, paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 is computer based examination, paper 2 is descriptive type examination. First actually paper 1 computer based examination, general intelligence and reasoning 50 marks 50 questions, general awareness 50 marks 50 questions, and part A will be general engineering civil and structural, part or general engineering electrical or general engineering mechanical. Is based upon the this one degree, candidate degree. So if it is civil discipline, then civil may be opted, or electrical discipline, then electrical is opted, or mechanical discipline, then mechanical is opted. So 100 questions from technical and 100 questions from reasoning, general intelligence and general awareness. So next if we are moving on, written examination, paper 2. So once if you are cleared the paper 1, then you will be allowed for paper 2 written examination. So part A is general engineering civil and structural, or part B general engineering electrical, or part C general engineering mechanical. This is 2 hours exam. So 2 hours and 40 minutes for the candidate who are eligible for scribe. Okay. So total marks 300 marks. So here it is clearly mentioned, candidate will require to attempt at the general engineering part A or part B or part C in paper 1 and paper 2, which has been selected by them on the basis of as I already explained, it's based on their educational qualification. So paper 1 will consist of objective type MCQ questions, and there will be a negative mark for 0.25 marks, 1/4. So candidate allowed to bring their own slide rule calculator. These are all normal conditions. So if we are moving on, next syllabus. The standard of the questions in engineering subject will be approximately level of diploma. Actually here degree as well as diploma. So the standard will be in diploma only. It is clearly mentioned here. So paper 1 general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness and general engineering civil, structural, electrical and mechanical. Part A mentioned civil, Part B means electrical, Part C means mechanical. Syllabus is given here. So if you want, you refer the. I am giving this notification along with my video. These are all the syllabus. If you are moving on, so here syllabus is given for all disciplines. Syllabus is there. So if you are moving on, admit card, admission to the examination is there. Next, mandatory certificates, mandatory ID card proof, everything is mentioned here. In this area, post preference details are here mentioned here. As stated above, the candidates shall be required to indicate the preference post department for which they would like to consider in order of preference. Actually, in application stage itself, the post preference has to be filled. Okay, so if we are moving on, mode of selection. So the qualifying marks, the percentage is mentioned here. For unreserved 30%, OBC economically weaker section 25%, SC ST 20%. So based on the, as I already told, this exam is two part, paper 1, paper 2. So paper 1 is qualified marks scored in the paper 1, that is computer based examination. Candidate will be shortlisted category wise to be appear in paper 2. The commission shall have the discretion to fix different cutoff marks in each part of paper 1, taking into consideration among others category wise vacancies and category wise number of candidates. So final selection and allocation of ministries, departments, organization will be made on the basis of performance of candidate paper 1 and paper 2 and the preference of ministries, department, organizations exercised by them. And next, if you are moving on, if you are moving on, resolution of tie case normal conditions only. So next, if we are moving on, so commission decision, final, court jurisdictions, disqualification. Next, important instructions to the candidates. So all normal instructions only. So this is regarding fee, I already explained. So I think main part of the notification we have covered. So these are all annexes. So regarding physical limitation in examination to write, this is a certificate annexes, letter of undertaking for using own scribe. This is for how to, in this area there is a separate annexure they have given for regarding online filling of application. So part 1 is one time registration. So before starting your online application filling, the first step is one time registration. So with the valid mobile number and email ID, the OTP will be generated. As everyone knows these procedures. Next, after one time registration form, so you will get registration number and password. Through that you can open your apply online this one application and you can start your application, online application. You can start filling up online application. So this is a screenshot for easiness they attached. So this is a screenshot regarding one time registration. Next is online application form. A detailed step by step this one procedure is explained how to apply area. So this is a screenshot of online application form. This also there. So if we are moving on, next this form of certificate for serving defense personnel. So if it is a defense personnel, so they can take relaxation. So this is for ex-servicemen and this is for SST certificate. As I already told in the beginning of this video, every format is available here. So this is for OBC and this is for economically weaker section and this is for person with disability. So this is a medical authority issuing certificate is mentioned, is attached here. Next is certificate of disability. Okay. So next, regarding educational qualification. So in the beginning of the notification they mentioned degree or diploma. So BE, BTech, AMIE, part A and part B, BSc engineering, ME, MTech, MSc engineering. Then subject code for educational qualification: civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering. It is all allowed. So next, actually I already told this only for this BRO some special requirement that I already told. So special requirement is, first one is only male candidate, second one is they are calling for physical efficiency test and physical standards are required, medical standards also. So there is a separate medical examination and medical test will be conducted, will be there for this one. Next, if we are moving on, so this is only for PRO, border road organization. So physical efficiency test, for this physical efficiency test mentioned here, so only passing the test is mandatory, the qualifying nature. So 10 minutes time duration, 1 mile run you have to go, PET. So region wise physical standards are mentioned here. So physical standards also some relaxation is given. So this is regarding medical standards. So this is for ground for permanent rejection. So we are moving on. So this is regarding photograph specification for applying in online. So that's it, friends. I think we have covered each and every corner of this notification. We have explained some special conditions and we left normal conditions. So wherever focus is required, we have explained, and we attacked those areas and we have explained. Friends, if you have any doubt, please put your comments in the comment box. I will give the reply suitably. Thank you, friends.